Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a chandelier out of Dollar Tree items. First, I got these wreath hangers from the Dollar Tree. I got a total of 15 of them, and I'm just gonna cut them into pieces. Now, some of them I'll cut into two, and then some of them I'll cut into three. Now I'll be cutting out the center of the plate, and I'll be using this to glue on my wreath hangers. And now I'm just using the wreath hanger to measure, and I'm going to cut out these strips to glue on top of my pieces. So now that I'm done cutting my strips, I am going to start cutting the top of some pieces slanted. And now I'm going to start gluing some of the pieces that I cut to the plastic pieces that I already pre-cut earlier. And also, I was trying my hardest to only put the glue on the edge and a real thin coat, because you don't want there to be any dents or imprints in the foil. So here's all my pieces, and now I'm ready to start my chandelier. Okay, I don't know why both frames say 4x6, but I'm gonna figure that out. But I got these two frames from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using these as the frames for my chandelier. So I'll be gluing the pieces on the perimeter of the frame, and they won't be even. I want some of them up, some of them down. I don't want a clean look. And I'm also going to show you two ways to make the chandelier, so it can either be a simple look or a more sophisticated look. And I found it easier to start off on each end and then work my way into the middle so everything would be even. Look at it, so pretty. I love it. So now I'm just going back with the hot glue gun to make sure everything is secure. And now I'm going to start with my larger frame, and I'm going to do the same thing, go around the perimeter and fill everything in. So now I'm going to go in with my E6000 and go around the perimeter so everything dries and stays. Okay, pay attention to this part. I'm going to try to explain it the best way I can. So we are in quarantine and I'm going to have to do this the best way I can. So what I am doing is gluing each corner, and I'm taking my wire and I'm gluing the wire down on each corner. I have a total of 4 pieces of wire, and each wire is 12 inches long. I use 12 just to be safe, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use all 12 inches. But I'm going to go to each corner and glue it down, and then I'm going to go back over each piece of wire with the hot glue again. When we're allowed back outside again, I'll probably go out and get some hooks, but until then, this should do the job. I tested it out already and it wasn't falling or coming apart. I later decided to take the glass from out of the frame so that I could wrap the wire around the frame. So I'm going to put my smaller frame inside, and then I'm going to take the wire that I already glued on a smaller one and wrap it around each corner on the bigger frame. So I'll be wrapping 1 piece of wire on each corner. And this is how it looks when I lift it up. Already so pretty. So I cut 2 pieces of wire around 14 inches. And these 2 pieces will go horizontal on the frame. And now I'll be going horizontal the opposite way. Now I wanted to show you how this look, just plain and simple the way it is. I think it's cute, but I would prefer it to be a little bit more sophisticated, so I decided to add some more pieces. So I pre-cut some more pieces from the plates that I had, and I'm just gonna fill in the empty spaces and kind of cluster it a bit. I have no specific method that I'm using. I'm just filling in any gap that I see. And here I am on the side doing the same thing. So the last thing I'm gonna do is add this light that I got from a Dollar Tree also, and I just placed it on top of the frame, and here's the finished product. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, please be sure to check out some of my other videos that I have. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.